Hello there, and welcome to my channel, The Everyday Miracle. So this is a short video. I'm going to answer many of the most common questions related to doTERRA's Frankincense Essential Oil Blend. So the first question being, what is frankincense essential oil good for? Where do you put frankincense essential oil on your body? And is frankincense essential oil good for the immune system? I'm going to help you feel confident when using your essential oils. If you truly want to grow your knowledge about frankincense essential oil blend, then keep watching this video. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. So hey there, I'm Denise Ari, and I love using essential oils and educating others about them as well. So frankincense is known as the king of essential oils, and it has a variety of notable uses and benefits. This powerful essential oil is revered for its ability to beautify and rejuvenate skin when applied topically, and to promote cellular health and immunity and produce a healthy inflammatory response when taken internally, among other benefits. With all of its many uses, there's no question as to why frankincense was highly esteemed by ancient civilizations and used for the most sacred of practices. For some religions, it is correlated with the most prized possessions of ancient biblical times, as it was considered valuable enough to be given as a gift to Christ after his birth. Frankincense was also used during religious ceremonies for salves for soothing skin and perfume. The perfume or aroma that it emits promotes feelings of satisfaction, peace, relaxation, and overall wellness, which explains its unique value in ancient times. Just as in its treasured past, frankincense essential oil is highly valued in the doTERRA community and continues to be one of the most popular essential oils. So doTERRA's mission is to provide high-quality essential oils that are pure and free of harmful contaminants. With doTERRA's strict method of essential oil testing, you can walk away confident knowing that the oils you purchase from doTERRA are potent and pure, bringing you maximum health benefits. So to use frankincense essential oil topically, mix it well with the carrier oil of your choice. Test the mixture on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin, like your forearms, before you apply it somewhere sensitive, like your face. If after 24 hours you see redness or irritation, don't use the mixture. Okay, so now I'd like to share with you a few different ways you can use frankincense essential oil blend. So the first way, add frankincense's incredible aroma to any room in your house by making this DIY essential room spray. Start by using an empty glass spray bottle and putting in 15 drops of frankincense, 15 drops of grapefruit, and 30 drops of Douglas fir. Top off the rest of the bottle with water, and now you have the most amazing room spray. Just spritz the spray, carpet, furniture, anywhere you want in the room. When using this homemade spray, you will be able to bask in the rich fragrance of the doTERRA frankincense oil and experience a relaxing, peaceful benefit. Razor bumps can be irritating and can turn your morning shave into a day-long frustration. Even though shaving may be essential, razor bumps are not. Provide relief to your skin with this do-it-yourself razor relief skin serum enhanced with frankincense oil. It is one of the best oils to help skin feel and look rejuvenated. By using this serum, the chemical properties of the oil will aid in reducing appearance of skin imperfections, and the serum will benefit the irritated skin by soothing the sensitive razor bumps for an all-day appearance and feel that you will love. Number 3, one of frankincense's most powerful benefits is its ability to promote health and wellness. This essential oil, by taking 1 or 2 drops in a veggie tablet, is a natural supplement and will help support your cellular function. In fact, doTERRA has found frankincense oil to be so beneficial in supporting cellular function that doTERRA uses it in its highest selling supplements, the doTERRA Lifelong Vitality Pack. Try this DIY supplement experience. The cellular benefits you may be in need of. Are your hands experiencing dryness from winter air? Do you want to improve the look of your scaly hands? Frankincense can help. Whenever your hands are feeling or looking unmoisturized or marred by harsh weather, add a couple drops of frankincense oil to the moisturizer of your choice to help hydrate and rejuvenate. The scent of this essential oil combined with your moisturizer will add a warm, spicy, clean scent to your skin. You'll want to take this lotion with you wherever you go. And how about, are you feeling a little stressed? It just so happens that frankincense essential oil has a solution for that. Its chemical components result in an extremely powerful aroma that can help to dispel negative feelings, like stress. If you are feeling like the pressures of life are weighing you down and weigh your mood down, apply frankincense to the bottom of your feet. The soothing sensation and aroma will promote feelings of relaxation and a balanced mood. So don't let outside pressures get you down. Use your essential oils to get you feeling upright and ready to take on the day ahead of you. With so many benefits and uses, frankincense essential oil has rightfully earned its title as the king of all essential oils. Its beautifying, aromatic, and health-promoting properties are extremely powerful and can easily improve an everyday lifestyle. For anyone seeking a helpful essential oil tip, always remember, if in doubt, use frankincense. So are you wondering just how to use an essential oil? There are 3 common ways to use essential oils. The first is diffusing. So this is the fastest way to get oils into the brain. So you just place 4 or 5 drops in a diffuser of your choice. Turn it on, and then you're diffusing. The second is internally. So you add 1 drop to 4 ounces of water or any liquid. Although not all oils can be ingested. So make sure that you check for the supplemental facts label to know if you can take it internally. If it doesn't have that supplemental facts label, it is not good for internal consumption. And the third is topically. This is the most common way. So you're going to apply 1 to 2 drops of oils, usually with some carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil, and apply it to the desired area. So those are 3 ways to use essential oils. Now keep in mind, there are possibilities of, skin sensitivity. So keep your essential oils out of the reach of children. And if you are pregnant, nursing, or under a doctor's care, consult your physician. Avoid contact with your eyes, your inner ears, and sensitive areas. Avoid sunlight or UV rays for up to 12 hours after applying some of the strong essential oils or the citrus ones. If you are ready to use frankincense essential oil, visit theeverydaymiracle.com/ready-to-go or email me at denise@theeverydaymiracle.com. Discover how great it is to use frankincense essential oil. So if you loved learning about frankincense essential oil and know of someone who could use frankincense, share this video with them. Let me know in the comments below how you are using frankincense essential oil. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Also check out my other essential oil videos, and if you want to know when new videos are coming out, subscribe to my channel. And remember, you are always divinely protected and divinely directed by Spirit.